Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with a new video. So this is for CapCut content creators. Audio is really important for all type of content creators, no matter what type of content you are going to produce. So right now I'm going to add the audio from my device. So this is the music. Here you can see the copyright tool available. When you click on it, so CapCut check for you. And this will really important for content creators, especially when you are going to upload video on YouTube, no matter if going to upload on TikTok, Reels, etc. As you know, audio is really important element for content creators. No matter what type of video editing are you going to do, this tool really helpful for you to know before uploading the video, is your audio copyright protected or not. So the next feature of this app is also really important. Make sure consider subscribe. When you click on the cover, so right now the third option available here, edit cover photo on hypercap available on Google Play Store. If this not installed, so maybe this redirect you to on Google Play Store for downloading the app. After, you can see here a lot of tools available. Simply edit or changes done and click on apply to CapCut. So this automatically comes back to CapCut, literally like Premiere Pro to Photoshop integration. This is work seamlessly. You have no need to do export import again and over again from the apps. All done very quickly and hassle free within few seconds using both apps. So this is today video. I hope you really enjoy it. Make sure to consider subscribe to get more videos like this one. See you soon in next video. Bye bye.